Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a small haul. And let me just jump right in. So, I picked up from Hobby Lobby in the Chicago area. I picked up this. Got a couple of these. They had half off on the jewelry shop. So picked up a couple of those. I also picked up this, as well as this. And then also these little gems here, and these are 2 millimeter. I thought that was a good buy there. And all of those were half off. And then I went over to their clearance area and almost passed these up. And these are like my favorite. This is like my favorite glue that I can buy locally. So $1.99 was the perfect price for me. So I picked those up. And then I went into their Hobby Lobby there. And I knew they had these priced wrong, but I took advantage. And you see that price there, $5.99. I knew these were new, and so I went ahead and grabbed that. So there goes that one. I also picked up this one, as well as this one here. I wish I had gotten the other two, because even if I didn't like them, I could have did them as a giveaway, but I wasn't thinking. I went over to Joann's and I used 40% off coupon on this because I didn't have the infinity dies and rectangles, so I wanted to pick those up. And then also went over to Dollar Tree and I picked up these rub-on transfers because Dollar Tree got it going on when it comes to rub-ons. I love their rub-ons, so picked that up. And then as well as a cutting mat. I couldn't find mine. I may have gotten rid of it when I was getting rid of everything, not sure. And then we got a new place in town where Amazon sends over all of their pre-purchased items or stuff that people have sent back, and I didn't even realize, don't even know how long it's been there, but my husband and I went over there today, and I found just a few items, but I picked this up, and this was $3, and I thought it was a really good buy, and it has several different colors in there. Went ahead and got that. And then my best find, and this was wrapped up in bubble wrap, I couldn't hardly believe it, was I got some Nina paper, and it was $3. And it's not the best on one side, but I can trim that off. But nice paper weight. So I was really excited about this. And so each day is a different price. Like today was $3, tomorrow will be $2, the next day will be $1, and then if they haven't gotten rid of everything, which I say it's like tons of bins that they have, tons. They do like load your bag for $20, and you can get everything, and then they just replenish on the next following week. So that might be my new place where I'll be stopping at once a week or so, or once every couple weeks, just to see what's in there. And then they also sell like pallets from $250 to $2,000. So I'm really wondering, what do you get in those, which is probably like, I would assume like computers or stuff that's gotten sent back, some kind of electronic. But that'll be my new place, so I might be doing a haul video, and I forgot the name of it. It was like Bargain something or other. So I'll be checking that out though. But that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.